right, guys, we're going to go over the first part of our extended constructed response. So we're doing this in pieces, and these pieces are going to make up your final draft. So if you follow each of these steps, starting with your thesis statement, by the time you get to the final draft, you are just fine-tuning this and not doing any major writing at that point. Okay, so we are just concentrating on our thesis statement. All right, and we are looking at the prompt. We talked about this, civil disobedience. So do you think, all right, is civil disobedience a moral responsibility of every citizen? All right, so now just a quick thing. When you complete this thesis, all you're going to do is go to the assignment in the OHS and type your thesis into the comment box. You do not need to upload a piece of paper or anything like that. Just type it in the comment box because it's just going to be one sentence, because we all know that a thesis is only one sentence. All right, so here's some tips for writing your thesis statement. Think about what kind of paper you're writing. And for us, we know we're writing an argumentative paper because you're saying whether or not you agree, and then you're explaining that. All right, so you're going to make a claim about this topic, and then you're going to justify it with specific evidence. We're going to be looking at some articles and things to back up your opinion. All right, you want to convince your audience that your claim is true, and you're going to provide evidence to show that. So right now, we're just thinking about our thesis statement. It needs to be specific, and it should only cover what you will discuss in your paper, and you're going to have to support it with specific evidence. It's going to usually appear at the end of the first paragraph of your paper. All right? So, think of your thesis in two parts. It's one sentence in two parts. So first of all, do you agree or disagree? Make a claim one way or the other. Why do you agree or disagree? Back up your claim with evidence. Here is an example. Civil disobedience is a moral responsibility of every citizen. So you see how I took the prompt, made it into a statement saying what I think. Yes, I do agree. Civil responsibility is a moral responsibility of every citizen. That's my claim. That's the first part of my thesis sentence. Here we go into the evidence, the second part. Because it is up to individuals to point out discrepancies in existing laws and policies to make sure they are fair to everyone. This is why I think that. And now once I've got my thesis statement written, then I'm going to go and I'm going to find articles and things to back it up, which we're not worrying about just for this assignment. So guys, you're writing one sentence and you're turning it in. Come on, that's awesome. But it's better be a really awesome sentence. And to make sure it is, you have a rubric right here. All right, because I'm going to be looking at your claim part of your sentence, the evidence part of your sentence, your spelling, punctuation, grammar, etc. This should be a nice, complete sentence with all of these things correct. And did you turn it in on time? All right. All of these things are important because if you don't get the thesis turned in on time, it's going to put you back for all the other parts of this assignment. All right, guys, you can do this. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions.